Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the minimum balance required for a PNC Bank account. The simple answer is that the minimum balance requirement at PNC Bank depends entirely on the type of account you have. Many of their accounts do not have a set minimum balance that you must keep at all times. Instead, they have an average monthly balance requirement that you must meet to avoid a monthly service fee. Let's look at some of the popular personal account options to give you an idea. For a PNC Virtual Wallet Spend account, the monthly service charge can be waived if you maintain a combined average monthly balance of at least $500 in your spend and/or reserve accounts, or if you meet other requirements like a qualifying direct deposit. For a PNC Standard Checking account, you can typically waive the monthly service charge by maintaining an average monthly balance of $500. Again, there are other ways to avoid the fee, such as having a qualifying monthly direct deposit. For a PNC Standard Savings account, the monthly service fee can be waived by maintaining an average monthly balance of $300. Other options to avoid the fee include being under the age of 18, setting up an automatic savings transfer of at least $25, or linking it to a qualifying PNC checking account. If you have a higher tier account, the balance requirement to avoid the fee generally increases. For example, the Performance Checking account fee can be waived with a $2,000 average monthly balance, and the Performance Select Checking fee can be waived with a $5,000 combined average monthly balance across certain linked accounts. In summary, for many PNC accounts, you don't need a minimum balance just to keep the account open, but you do need to meet a specific average monthly balance to avoid a monthly service fee. The amount varies from as low as $300 for standard savings to higher amounts for premium checking and money market accounts. Always check the specific fee schedule for your account to understand all the ways you can waive the monthly fee. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.